You're packing for a vacation, but one family member can't come along. Turns out, you might be the one with anxiety. Nearly half of all owners feel it. This isn't a minor feeling. For 40% of owners, this constant worry harms their trip. And for your dog, their anxiety is not boredom. It's a genuine disorder with serious risks. So, how do you protect their well-being and your peace of mind? We'll break down the science and the steps to take. First, you have to understand the risk. With untrained caregivers, dogs face real dangers, from accidental injury to heightened aggression. The antidote to a dog's stress is simple: consistency. Maintaining their daily routine for feeding and walks is paramount for their stability. Predictability creates a sense of security when you, their main source of it, are gone. It signals that their world is still safe and in order. This need for routine naturally brings up a question of environment. Where can this consistency be best maintained for your dog? For many dogs, especially anxious or older ones, the answer is their own home. In-home sitting minimizes disruption by keeping them in familiar territory. But is the difference between home and a kennel just about comfort? Or is there scientific proof that one is less stressful than the other? The proof is in their biology. Studies measuring the stress hormone, cortisol, reveal what dogs are actually feeling inside. Dogs in kennel environments may experience elevated cortisol levels as they adjust to new surroundings, reflecting a natural response to change rather than distress alone. Even when a kennel appears comfortable, dogs can respond differently internally. Choosing the right care setting helps support your dog's individual well-being. But a familiar environment is only half the battle. The person you put in that environment is the other vital piece of the puzzle. So, if you choose in-home care, can you just ask a neighbor what truly separates a professional from a well-meaning hobbyist? The difference is expertise built on formal training. Professionals are often certified in skills like pet CPR, first aid, and fear-free handling. They are also insured and bonded. This protects you, your pet, and your property from any unforeseen accidents. What if your sitter gets sick or has a car emergency? Professionals have established backup plans. Amateurs often don't. This is about preparedness for the unexpected, not just about feeding and walking your dog. Now that you know what to look for in a caregiver, what can you do to set them and your dog up for success? First, let's be clear. A high-quality kennel can be a fine choice for some dogs, especially confident social ones who enjoy the activity. But they are not a one-size-fits-all solution for anxious dogs. Regardless of your choice, your personal preparation is key. A few short visits or an overnight trial before your trip allows your dog to acclimate. It transforms the caregiver from a stranger into a familiar presence. You can also use their most powerful sense, smell. Leave behind a worn t-shirt or a blanket. Your scent is a powerful passive comfort object. And very pointedly, manage your own emotions. Avoid long, dramatic goodbyes. Your anxiety signals to your dog that something is wrong. Keep it calm and quick. So, you've chosen the right environment and caregiver, and you've prepared your dog. How do these pieces fit together to create true peace of mind? Recall the cortisol study? That physiological stress is real, and the hallmarks of a professional we just covered: training, insurance, and backup plans. The ultimate goal is to combine a low-stress environment, often their home, with the expertise of a true professional. This combination directly addresses both stress and risk. This is how you solve your own separation anxiety that we talked about at the beginning. Your peace of mind comes from making a professional, informed decision. Ensuring safe and loving care is a fundamental part of responsible dog ownership. It protects their well-being and allows you to truly relax on your trip. So, before your next holiday, assess your dog's needs, vet your caregiver like a professional, and prepare your dog with trial runs and clear instructions. The consequences of poor care can be devastating, but the rewards of great care are immeasurable for your dog's well-being and your bond. You have the power to make your absence a safe, low-stress experience instead of a traumatic one. Your dog trusts you to make the right choice. Choose care that honors that trust and honors the powerful bond that you and your dog share.